house is quiet, the air feels cold. The story ended, but never told. Your sweater's hanging where you left it last. I breathe you in, I'm trapped in the past. The clock keeps ticking, but time won't heal the empty spaces. The way I feel, your voice still lingers, a ghost of sound. In every shadow, you're still around, and I can't let go, though I know I should. I'd trade forever the way I feel I could. I hear your whispers in the rain, a soft reminder of the pain. Every drop's a tear you'd cry. If you could see me breaking tonight, the world moves on, but I remain lost in whispers in the rain. I found your letter, the words run deep. I love you always is all I keep. The ink has faded, but not my heart. I still remember the day we part. I walk these streets where we used to laugh, but every corner's a photograph, the life we paint in shades of gold. Now feels so distant, so empty, so cold. I call your name, but there's no reply, just echoes fading into the sky. I hear your whispers in the rain, a soft reminder of the pain. Every drop's a tear you cry. If you could see me breaking tonight, the world moves on, but I remain lost in whispers in the rain. They say the heart learns how to mend, but how do you heal when love won't end? I try to forget, but it's all in vain, because I still hear you in the rain. I hear your whispers in the rain, a soft reminder of the pain. Every drop's a tear you cry. If you could see me breaking tonight, the world moves on, but I remain forever haunted by your name, lost in whispers in the rain. The rain keeps falling, it hides my tears, but I still feel